In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL in Slack. Your Slack workspace URL is the web address your team uses to sign in and access your shared workspace. It usually looks something like yourworkspace.slack.com. This can be really helpful when you're onboarding new team members, fixing sign-in problems, setting up integrations, or connecting software that needs your Slack domain. Let's start with the desktop app on Windows or Mac. Open the Slack desktop application, then look to the top of the left-hand sidebar. Click on your workspace name. Once you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. Near the top of that menu, just underneath the workspace title, you should see the full workspace web address. That is your Slack workspace URL. If you need to share it or save it for later, you can click copy link. In some versions, you may also be able to right-click the address and choose copy URL. That will place it on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. If you're using Slack on a phone, the process is also very quick. Open the Slack mobile app and make sure you're on the Home tab. From there, either swipe right on the screen or tap the workspace icon in the top left corner to open the main navigation panel. At the top of the sidebar, you'll see your workspace name, and just below it, in smaller text, you should find your Slack URL. If the full address is cut off because of screen size, go into Settings, then Workspace Settings or Details, depending on your app version. That should let you view the full domain more clearly. Now let's cover the browser method. If you use Slack in a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, first sign into your workspace, then click into the address bar at the top of the browser window. You may see one of two formats. The first is a direct workspace URL, which is the one you want. The second is a longer client app address that includes extra characters and path information. If you see that longer client link instead, don't worry. Just click your workspace name in the left sidebar, and Slack will reveal the direct workspace domain for you. And that's it. Those are the fastest ways to find your Slack workspace URL on desktop, mobile, or in a web